day to get away. Hey, I'd like to get you on a slow boat to China, all to myself alone. Get you and keep you in my arms evermore. Leave all your lovers weeping on a faraway shore. So let's go out on the briny with the moon big and shiny, melting your heart of stone, heart of stone. I'd like to get you on a slow boat to China, want you all to myself alone. I really want you all alone. There is no verse to this song. Don't want to wait a moment too long to say that I want to get you in a nice little boat that'll take us off to China in a leisurely float, and have you all to myself alone. I want to have you to myself alone. Get you there and keep you nestled in my arms evermore. Leaving all your lover boys weeping on a faraway shore. Na-na-na-na-na. Oh, out on the briny with the moon so bright and shiny, it's melting your heart. And you've got a heart of stone, heart of stone. I'd like to get you on a slow boat to China, all to myself. It's selfish, but I want it known. I want you, yes, I want you to myself. Alone, alone, alone. I want you all alone. Our song was a song of tomorrow. Our hearts were as high as the sky. But songs are forgotten and skies often gray. Nevertheless, there is this I can say. From the first hello to the last goodbye, it's been awfully nice to know you, so excuse the parting sigh, and I'll watch you go with my head held high. You've been dear and sweet, a pleasure to meet, a special treat, say I. From the first